In Korea right now, the cicadas are coming out. You can hear the meh, meh, meh. If you're familiar with that sound, I'm sure it makes the temperature feel even hotter. So today I propose that we do a summer drink. Actually, we were out in Apjujeong, which is kind of more the posh area in Seoul. They also have really nice cafes.
It's called General Drink Shop. 여기 너무 시원하다. Wow, they do like fruit tea. So cool.
이쪽에 있습니다. 감사합니다. Wow, I like this cup.
Let's see.
I like this cup. Let's see it. And so today, I actually saved their cup because this was actually pretty nice. And we're gonna remake that drink. And to be honest, it was very simple. Let me show you how. Before we start, just as a disclaimer, I have no idea how they exactly make their drink. We love the combination of the two ingredients, and we're inspired, and we just made our own version of it. First thing, we're gonna work with some Ceylon tea. This is a type of black tea. I'm just using Twinings. Now, you can use whatever brand you like. I'm gonna do around 4 cups, and I like to do a 1-to-1 ratio. After you try it my way, you can tweak it to make it less iced tea-ish or more fruity-ish. It's up to you. All right, this is 4 standard cups of water. In you go. If it's hard to find a Ceylon tea, you can use other types of black tea. But if you do have it, try with this first. It tastes really nice. Ceylon tea has this great aroma that I really like, and the back taste is smooth. There's no need to do 4 cups. You can do an individual serving of 1 cup, but again, you're gonna have to wait for this tea to cool down, so you might as well make a lot at one time. And then you can reach into your refrigerator and make it anytime, because it's cool. And once you see little baby bubbles forming, that's hot enough. With tea, you don't have to steep it in violently erupting hot water. This is good enough. And look at this color of the Celine Dion. It's beautiful. All right, and we'll give it 2 minutes to steep. All right, that looks good. It's hard to see the colors, so I'll put it in a white background. I'll just show you. And give it a sip so you know what the tea tastes like. Then, of course, we have to let it cool down. So we'll just pour this into a little bowl. And next is patience. We're gonna put this in the refrigerator until it cools down. All right, our iced tea is now very cold. Good. And then the second thing we need is some mango juice. Now make sure you're getting juice, not mango drink. I want that purple stuff. If you don't know the difference, type in Dave Chappelle, purple drink. I'm gonna pour some out here, and I just really like this. I'm not sure if you could tell, but the viscosity is a little bit thicker than just like plain old water with mango flavoring. This is a 1-to-1 ratio, which is what we're gonna use. And one thing that I like about this drink is that, like, if you go to Starbucks or other places, they add in pumps of syrup, which then adds a lot more calories and sugar. But if you make it at home, you control the amount of sugar. This is just fruit juice, and then it's cut with iced tea, which has no sugar. And the most critical ingredient is, of course, our ice. Ice, baby, ice. Hiya! Get ice. You gotta sit on your sofa where you're gonna chill and not move, all right? Or else we're gonna negate this cold drink, our Ceylon Tea. We're gonna fill about halfway. It's just a nice, simple pour.
Wow, 예쁘다.
Pour.
Wow.
And there it is, my friends, a beautiful mango Ceylon tea drink. Absolutely beautiful. You're gonna love it. And let's give it a little stir before we drink. Give it a little mix around.
이렇게 해야 돼.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
오, 신기하다.
What do you think? You think it was like the cafe we went to?
Oh,
So refreshing, right?
it's really good. It's my new favorite drink.
Guys, I'm serious. Combination of the two works beautifully. Thank me later for take a nice big sip, and then we watch some Korean drama or some Netflix. Okay? I'm watching Strangers from Hell. Leave me alone. I want to be cold.